Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile for remote roles with FlexJobs keywords, beginner guide step by step clearly. To effectively update your LinkedIn profile for remote roles, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon. Begin with your headline. Make sure to include keywords specific to remote work, such as remote, virtual, or distributed team. Next, focus on your craft a brief introduction that highlights your skills and experience related to remote work. Incorporate relevant keywords from FlexJobs to enhance visibility. Now, move to your work experience section. For each role, clearly state your remote work responsibilities and achievements. Highlight experiences that show your ability to work independently and manage tasks effectively. It's time to add skills. Include specific skills related to remote work, such as time management, communication, and virtual collaboration tools. Check for any certifications you can add that are relevant to remote work. Next, consider your recommendations. Ask for endorsements or recommendations from colleagues who can speak to your remote work abilities. Adjust your profile picture. Select a professional and approachable photo that suits an online environment. Finally, review your entire profile for consistency. Ensure that all sections use language and keywords aligned with remote opportunities. Once satisfied, save your changes and start engaging with others in remote work-focused communities on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.